Hi, I hope you're well. Today what I want to look at is I just want to look at four ways to add up a load of numbers in Excel. So here is the file with some numbers in it. I've opened up Excel and I've got my little answer down here at the bottom. So the first thing I'm going to do, and this is sort of a quick, dirty way to do it, is just to check it on the status bar. So if I come up here to this one and just highlight the numbers to there, okay, then if you go down to here, you can see down here it says sum 3710. All right, and that can be really useful if you just want to just do a quick check. So I'm just going to write 3710 up here. That's going to be my check. That's the first way. Now the second way we're going to do is just, and this is my preferred way, is just to use auto sum. So I click where I want the answer to go. All right, and then I come up here to my home ribbon, and then I go across here and I just go auto sum. And you see, you've got the marching ants going around it, and all I need to do at this point is just press enter. Okay, I see, I get 3710. All right, so I'm just going to delete that again. The third way to do it is to use a keyboard shortcut, which is Alt and equals. So I click here, press Alt and equals together, and you see there it puts in my sum function for me. And if you notice here, I can adjust, if for example I just want to adjust it, I can adjust the marching ants here if I want to, just by selecting it. And then I just press enter, get 3710 again. And then the last one I want to show you is very straightforward if you know it already. If I just go equals sum, open left bracket, and then if I click here and highlight up to there, and then close my brackets, although quite often you don't even need to close your brackets. If I just press enter, Excel will do that for me automatically. Okay, so that's just four ways to add up your numbers in Excel. As always, add something in the comments, or if you've got anything better you want to suggest, always open to suggestions. That's brilliant. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.